Hi everyone, I'm Megalan from BTV2314 Green Technology Lab class. Today I'm going to present about my individual project. The theme of the project is about renewable energy. So let me start with my presentation with your honorable permission. Okay, now let me explain what is renewable energy. Renewable energy is energy that is collected from renewable sources that are naturally replenished on a human timescale. It includes sources such as sunlight, wind, the movement of water, and the geothermal heat. Although the most renewable energy sources are sustainable, some are not. Okay, there are few types of renewable energy sources, and now I'm going to explain a bit of those. The types of renewable energy sources. Number one, solar energy. Solar energy is the most abundant of all energy resources and can be even harnessed in cloudy weather. The rate at which solar energy is intercepted by the earth is about 10,000 times greater than the rate of which humankind consumes energy. Solar technologies can deliver heat, cooling, natural lighting, electricity, and fuels for a host of applications. Solar technologies convert sunlight into electrical energy either through photovoltaic panels or through mirrors that concentrate solar radiation. The second renewable energy source is wind energy. Wind energy harnesses the kinetic energy of moving air by using large wind turbines located on land or in sea or fresh waters as also we can see offshore. Wind energy has been used for miles, but onshore and offshore wind energy technologies have evolved over the last few years to maximize the electricity produced with the taller turbines and larger rotor diameters. Although average wind speeds vary considerably by locations, the world's technical potential for wind energy exists global electricity production and ample potential exists in most regions of the world to enable significant wind energy deployment. The third renewable energy source is geothermal energy. Geothermal energy utilizes the accessible thermal energy from the Earth's interior. Heat is extracted from geothermal receivers using wells or other means. Receivers that are naturally sufficient hot and permeable are called geothermal receivers, whereas receivers that are sufficiently hot but that are improved with hydraulic stimulation are called enhanced geothermal system. The fourth renewable energy source is hydropower. Hydropower harnesses the energy of water moving from the higher to lower elevations. It can be generated from receivers to rivers. Receivers hydropower plants rely on stored water in a receiver, while runoff river hydropower plants harnesses energy from available flow of the river. Hydropower receivers often have multiple uses, providing drinking water, water for irrigation, float and draft control, navigation services, as well as energy supply. Okay, the fifth renewable energy source is ocean energy. Ocean energy derives from technologies that use the kinetic and thermal energy of seawater, waves, or current, for instance, to produce electricity or heat. Ocean energy systems are still at an early stage of development, with the number of prototype wave and tidal current devices being explored. The theoretically potential for ocean energy easily exceeds present human energy requirements. So from these 5 types of renewable energy sources, I personally chose for my project is solar energy. What is solar energy? Okay, let me explain about solar energy deeply. Okay, solar energy is radiant light and heat from the sun that is harnessed using a range of technology such as solar power to generate electricity, solar thermal energy including solar water heating, and solar architecture. It is an essential or it is an achievement source of renewable energy, and its technologies are broadly characterized by either passive solar or active solar depending on how they capture and distribute solar energy to convert into solar power. Active solar techniques includes the use of photovoltaic systems, concentrated solar power, and solar water heating to harness the energy. Passive solar techniques includes orienting a building to the sun, also selecting materials with favorable thermal mass of light dispersing properties, and design spaces that are naturally circulate in air. Solar energy is simply the light and the heat that comes from the sun. People can harness the sun's energy in a few different ways, such as photovoltaic cells, which convert sunlight into electricity, solar thermal technology, where the heat from the sun is used to make hot water or steam. And this is what about solar energy. As I mentioned solar panel just now, and now I'm going to brief a bit about what is solar panel. Okay, what is solar panel? A solar cell panel, solar electric panel, photovoltaic module, PV panel or solar panel is an assembly of photovoltaic solar cells mounted in a usual rectangular frame, and a neatly organized collection of PV panels is called a photovoltaic system or solar array. Solar panels capture sunlight as source of radiant energy, which is converted into electric energy, as I said just now, in the form of direct current. Also, we can say DC electricity. Arrays of a photovoltaic system can be used to generate solar electricity that supplies electrical equipment directly or feeds power back into a alternate current grid via an inverter system. Okay, solar panels, sometimes also called photovoltaics, or collect energy from the sun in the form of sunlight and convert into electricity that can be used to power homes or business. These panels can be used in supplement of some buildings electricity or provide power at remote locations. And also, why solar panel or solar energy is important. Solar panels are the great way to offset energy cost, reduce environmental impact of a home, and provide a host of other benefits such as supporting local business and contributing to energy independence. Okay, now let's see the advantages of solar energy. Number one, renewable energy source. Among all the benefits of solar panels, the most important thing is that solar energy is a truly renewable energy source. It can be harnessed in all areas of the world and is available every day. We cannot run out of solar energy, unlike some of the other sources of energy. Solar energy will be accessible as long as we have the sun. Therefore, sunlight will be available for us at least 5 billion years. According to the scientists, the sun is going to die. Number 2, reduces electricity bills. Since you will be meeting some of your energy needs with the electricity your solar system has generated, your energy bill will be dropped. How much you save on your bill will be dependent on the size of the solar system and your electricity or heat usage. For an example, if you are a business using commercial solar panels, this switch can be have a huge benefit because the large system size can cover large chunks of your energy bills. Moreover, not only will be saving on the electricity bill, but there is a possibility to receive payments for the surplus energy that you export back to the grid through the smart export guarantee, which is SEG. Okay, if you generate more electricity than you use, which means considering that your solar panels is conducted to the grid. Okay, the third one is diverse applications. Solar energy can be used for diverse purpose. You can generate electricity or heat. Solar energy can be used to produce electricity in areas without access the energy grid, to distill water in regions with limited clean water supplies, and to power satellites in space. Solar energy can be integrated into materials used for buildings. Also, not long ago, Sharp introduced transparent solar energy windows. Number 4, low maintenance cost. Solar energy systems generally don't require a lot of maintenance. You only need to keep them relatively clean, so cleaning them a couple of times per year will do the job. If in doubt, you can always rely on specialized cleaning companies which offer these services from around 100 to 200 Malaysia ringgit. Okay, the most reliable solar panel manufacturers offer 20 to 25 years warranty. Also, there are no moving parts. There is no wear or tear. Okay, the inverter is usually the only part that needs to be changed after 5 to 10 years because it is continuously working to convert solar energy into electricity and heat. Apart from the inverter, the cables also need to maintenance to ensure your solar panel system runs at the maximum efficiency. So, after covering the initial cost of the solar system, you can expect very little spending on maintenance and repair work. I hope now you clearly understand why I said low maintenance cost is one of the advantage. Okay, the last but not least, the fifth one is technology development. Technology in solar power industry is constantly advancing and improving will in the future. Innovation in physics and nanotechnology can potentially increase the effectiveness of solar panels and double or even triple the electrical input of solar power systems. So these are the 5 main advantages in solar energy. Okay, coming back to our topic, as I said, I chose solar for my individual project. Okay, now let me introduce my product here, which is I created a solar panel by my own by using a Blu-ray CDs and a few more apparatus to create a solar energy. So yeah, this is my product. As you all can see in the screen. Now I'm going to explain how I inverted this product. It is quite simple and easy, also low in budget. The list of apparatus that I used to create this solar panel is cardboard, or else you can use a photo frame. Okay, and then aluminum foil, masking tape, cellophane tape, scissors, copper wires, bulb, and the main one is Blu-ray CDs. Okay, before that, usually there are 2 types of CDs in market, which has a blue and white behind the CD. For our project, we need to use the Blu-ray disc because it is made of silicon helping us to create solar panel. Okay, now let me show you the tutorial to fix the solar panel. And yes, finally we have created the solar panel, and we just need to connect the bulb with the copper wire. So that's all, our project is done. I hope you all like my project and my presentation. Thank you all.